Hello friends, today I am writing one Python program to find the sum of digits of a number. So for example, if the number is 1234, then the sum is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10. So in output we want to get 10. So for that I write here a one program where first I take a one input and input must be a integer. Now to save the sum in a one variable, I take a one variable sum equal to 0 and initialize the value to 0. Let's first check that number is not equal to 0. So if number is not equal to 0, it means the number is greater than 0. So if number is greater than 0, then we have to first find the modulo of a number. Modulo means the remainder of a number. So if we divide a number 1234 by 10 and find out the modulo, so we get first value, it's 4. Now the sum value is 0, so 0 plus 4 in the first time sum equal to 4. Now the next number we want to get is a 123 because I already get the 4. So here I do a floor division of 10. So number floor division by 10, it gives you a 1, 2, 3. Now again 1, 2, 3 is not equal to 0. So here 1, 2, 3 modulo 10, again I get a remainder value, that is 3. So the sum value is already 4, then 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Now I get the number in this statement, line number 7. The number is 1, 2, 3, and if I do the floor division by 10, I get the number 12. Now again the 12 is not equal to 0, so 12 modulo 10, I get the remainder 2, and here the value is already is 7, 4 plus 3 7, and plus 2, then sum is 9. Now I get the number 1. So here number is not equal to 0. If I do the floor division, I get the remainder 1. Now I do, that is 9 plus 1, that is 10. So here after that, when we divide, you do the floor division, you get the 0 and this loop terminate, and you get the sum of digits of a number is 10. Now run this code and let's give the input 1234. You check that the sum of digits of number is 10. Thank you.